Oh mother, in your face I see God. The world now seems desolate without you, who endures pain to give us birth and still has mercy on us, who sacrifices her own life for her children without any complaint or grievance. In every mother's love I see a sacrifice. Oh mother, in your form I see God. You tame a wayward husband and still find time to comfort the children. You greet everyone with respect and never bring shame upon the family. In the way you hold the home together, I see a true devotion. Oh mother, in your form I see God. Who doesn't listen to anyone, who does whatever they please, who has no regard for the law, who doesn't even know their parents. That cruel one in human form looks like a devil. Oh mother, in your form I see God. Whoever robs an innocent of their honor and goes about murdering and plundering, whoever exceeds all limits in cruelty and oppression, and shows not the slightest mercy in this world, that person seems to me an animal. Oh mother, in your form I see God. You see both the believer and the unbeliever with an eye of compassion. You unite all faiths and disbelief and become an incarnation from a human. In your very being I see such a human. Oh mother, in your form I see God. You comfort all the sorrowful and love them, holding them to your chest. You make no distinction between the blind, the lame, the black or the white. At your feet I see the very essence of paradise. Oh mother, in your form I see God. Look, these are esoteric matters. Everything here is transient. If a person does not act on their own whims, they become immortal. Every person in this world seems like a guest to me. Oh